Hello everyone, I am Vijay Lakshmi, guest lecturer from Department of Computer Application. Today we are going to learn about find and replace, correcting spelling and grammatical errors, working with header and footers in Microsoft Word. First I am going to type some sentence here. See, here I typed the sentence some error, so I think it's visible to you. Okay, then there is two ways to using find and replace method. One is click the view tab, that you see the option like navigation pane. Check it. This is a navigation box. Then the navigation dialog box is appear here. And the another method is, now I close this one. And the second method is a shortcut key to open the navigation pane. Here I just click Control plus F. See, here the navigation dialog box is appear again. Then the second method is, in home tab you have an option like find and replace. So I just close it. In home tab you have an option find and replace. I simply click find option, then click find. You see the same dialog box is appear here. Then the find and replace dialog box will appear. You have to enter the text in what find, and you have to enter the word in replace, what you have to change. Then click the replace button, automatically it will do changes. Here I type the sentence change. See what will happen. First I type the word change, then in my document the word can be highlighted here. So this is the method of use find option. Then replace, same home tab I click the replace button. Here you see the dialog box called find and replace dialog box. If I want to change the word education, I want to replace it with education. Now I type the correct word. See, now I want to replace all. See, I have a command like Word has completed its search of the document and has made one replacement. Yes, okay. Then I have to change the word you. I want to replace it your. See, same I have the dialog box, Word has completed its search of the document and has made one replacement. I just click the OK button. So now my find and replace option is done. See, the second option is correcting spelling and grammatical errors. We all make mistakes when we type. Luckily, Words comes with several different tools that can help your document to correct any mistakes. Go to the review tab and click spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar command, and a pane will open here. See, I made some mistake in my document. From here To correct an error, click one of their suggestions, then click change. And my correct word is and space sharing. So I just click the correct suggestion. Now click change. This will update your document and also take you to the next error automatically. Now spell check isn't perfect. Sometimes it will say a word is spelled wrong when it isn't, like people's name, street and other unique proper nouns. If that happens, you have a couple different options. First, I have to change this to. My correct word is to. I click the change and I have a dialog box like the spelling and grammar check is completed. Now I click OK. Yeah, it's done. Now I said I have a couple of different options. Ignore will skip the word one time without changing it. And ignore all will skip the word every time it appears. See, I want to make some wrongs, yes, spelling and grammar. See, then so now I enter my place, it will show as an error. See, I already said people names, places and some unique proper nouns also mentioned by errors. See, I have an error. Now I just click the spelling and grammar. I said couple of options here. One is ignore. Ignore once. It will skip the word one time without changing it. Then ignore all will skip the word every time it appears in your document. If I click the ignore all, every time this word Kirumambakam will not show an error. See how it's work. Now the term add. See, you have the option add to dictionary. The term add will add that word to your dictionary permanently, so it never comes up as an error again. So you can check your document manually like I just showed you. Another method is automatically. For this method, all you have to do is adjust the right click and error. Here I just click, right click the error word. See, I have some suggestions and I have some more options like ignore, ignore all, add to dictionary. So I then choose the proper spelling from the menu. Okay, see, I just click ignore. Okay, to include these things in your grammar check, you will need to adjust the default proofing settings. Go to the file menu, click the options menu, then click the proofing button. See, you have the proofing button here. In this dialog box, just check the two boxes. See, in last of your dialog box, expectations for hide spelling errors in this document only, hide grammar error in this document only. Now I enable these two options. Okay. Now see, I type the word sharing in error. It will never show us an underline. See, this is how this two dialog boxes these two check boxes are works. Now the last topic is header and footer and page numbers. Header and footers can be used to display information in the top and bottom margin of your document. They can include details like author's name, page numbers, the date, and more to create your own header. Double click the margin at the top of the page. You have a header option. See, now I have to double click the option. Header will appear. So the header area is unlocked. You can add whatever information you want, or you can also use the tools on the design tab. See, now I want add some text like title. See, if your work is done, you just click the close header and footer option. See, your title is applied in header page. Then same as for footer. If you want to add footer in your page, you have to double click in this end of your page. Just double click this page. See, you have a header, footer, page number option here in design tab. I want to choose the style. See, I have options like this. So first I choose this one, then some text. See, I have to type a word. And if your footer work is done, you have to choose this close header and footer. Otherwise, you just click in the end of your document, double click, it will disappear. See, your page footer is done. To add a preset header and footer, to go to this insert tab, then click the command header, footer, page number. You can choose one of the simple options at the top or scroll down for something more. See, to choose top 3 columns, or you have to choose more. I am just to give some heading. It's same as for footer and page number. If you click page number options, you will see the command. Now I just click the page number option. I have a commands like top of page. It holds some of the designs, and bottom of page it also holds some more designs. Then page margin, current position. These are all the default designs in page numbers. Whatever you want to add, just click it. It will appear. It shows the current where your cursor blinking in current place. Thank you all. I hope you all are able to understand what I teach in this video.